Hi everyone. We meet again today to discuss a solved problem of H.C.Verma. I'll explain this in detail. There is a vertical electric field which just about balances a water drop falling from the sky. It obviously means that the electric field is pointing upwards and the drop is falling downwards. We have to find the charge on the water drop. It's good to imagine problems while solving them. Here is my imagination. A few arrows of electric field are rising from the beautiful blue ocean, while a lovely looking drop of water is falling from the sky. We now get into the solution. The electric field E is a vector, it has magnitude and direction, and electric field is equal to the electrostatic force per unit charge. So find the electrostatic force as a product of electric field and Q. Plug in the numbers. As the drop falls down into the electric field, it gets a positive charge, which is why it gets repelled by the electrostatic force. That's acting upwards. The downward force is due to the weight of the drop. That's mass into gravity. Plug in the mass and G, and you'll get the downward force. Equate the two forces, and you can see that Q is equal to 9.81 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 by 10 to the power 5, and that gives 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulombs. That's the answer. Feel free to share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, log into our website physicsmodels.com, download our app on your cell phone, and have a great day.